y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another bomb story time. Come on out, girl, let me get my wine. And today I'm having well, supposed to be in a mimosa, but your girl ran out of orange juice, so I'm using lemonade. Same thing, girl. Same thing. Got a little Prosecco. Just pour it on in there. Oh, all right, okay, girl, come on out. Come on out, y'all. This story time is about the time I got ran over by a car, girl. I rolled off the windshield and everything, girl. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's what I like to feel. Anyway, y'all, the strange thing about this story is that the person that ran me over was my substitute teacher, girl. Come on out. I mean, damn, lady. I know they don't pay y'all enough, but damn, you got to run over my legs too? How you doing? Anyway, y'all, let's get into this story. First of all, I was in high school. You heard me? I was in high school, girl, in Ware County High School, Ware County Gators. I'm from Waycross, Georgia. A lot of people think I'm from Atlanta, South Carolina, Alabama. Baby, I'm from Waycross, Georgia. I was born in Albany, Georgia. So shout out to Waycross, Georgia and Albany, Georgia. Come on out. I love you guys. You already know that. Down South Georgia, girl. Anyway, y'all, I think I was in the... could have been in the 12th grade. Hell, I could have been in the 11th grade. I don't know. All I know is I had a car. I was driving a Mustang. That's my very first car. It's a red Mustang. I called her Dustang because she was dirty as hell all the time. She was dusty. But every time you washed her, that bitch would cut off. Rude, girl. So you had to keep her dusty. That's the only time she'll ride. Anyway, y'all, so that day I had a test. It was a parking lot, you know, the high school parking lot where you park your cars and whatnot. So let me scoot up. So, you know, I'm getting out of the car, strolling on to go head inside the high school. And girl, before I know it, I just was lifted into the air, girl. I had a test that day. I had on my favorite boots. Girl, so all I know is I black out and I'm on the ground, girl. I'm rolling off somebody's windshield. And my legs are on the ground, and this lady still rolling her car. Ma'am, first of all, what you thought you hit? What was it that you thought you bumped and that you was gonna keep rolling? Girl, if I wanna move my legs out the way, she would have rolled over my legs. She was gonna roll over my legs like two little prosthetic legs, girl. My legs was heavy. I don't know what the hell she had done did, but girl. Anyway, so I roll off the windshield and I lay there, and then I see people, like a whole bunch of students and people around me, and they like, oh my God, stay down. I'm like, damn, calm down, Karen. What's wrong with y'all? I'm cool. So I get up to try to walk. My boots, girl, she damn ran the heel off the boots. Bitch, them was my favorite boots. I tried to walk. Bitch, it wasn't no heel to walk on. She knocked the heel off them damn boots. First of all, when you saw me roll off the windshield, but my little bony ass, I don't even think I cracked the windshield, girl. Normally at this size, baby, I'd have been inside that lady car with her, inside the windshield. Hey, ma'am, slow the car down. Anyway, so I roll off the windshield and fall on the ground, hands bleeding, knees scuffed up, boots, the heel gone. But I get up, because I'm still out of it, so I get up and try to go inside the school. And they like, no, what, ma'am, you just been hit by a car. I said, what? Then I look down at my boots. Bitch, you done tore my damn boots up. My little pleather boots. My favorite boots. But y'all, I was trying to get in the schoolhouse because, bitch, I finally studied for a test. And I knew this time I was going to pass it, baby. Your girl had done failed the last two tests. Damn, bitch, I'm ready. I done studied. Won't see how the devil do you? Try to grab you by your ankles, bitch. He grabbed me by my boots and ripped the heel off the motherfuckers. Anyway, more to the story is, y'all, you gotta look out for yourself because these substitute teachers ain't looking out for you, baby girl. Nah, just kidding. But anyway, y'all, so the ambulance get there, and I refuse to get in the ambulance because, bitch, Even at that age, I know that they charge you to take me to the hospital. So I called my mama. I said, nah, my mama will take me to the hospital. I'm okay. So my mama take me to the hospital, girl, give me a clean bill of health. Bitch, you know I had problems, my neck, everything. So Progressive gave me a check, but my mama spent my damn money, girl. Over my legs. But anyway, they gave me some insurance money, and you know I was young. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the check. Baby, my mama snatched that damn check. Talking about, you staying in my house, I pay these bills, yada yada. Damn, can a bitch at least get a PlayStation or something? Girl, she spent my little check up, bitch. I started to snatch my neck brace off and say, bitch, ain't nothing wrong with me. Y'all can have the money. Ain't nothing wrong with me. I take my claim back. My mama went out of town after that. Damn, you done went out of town? Talking about you going school shopping. Bitch, it's December. Then you ain't even bring me nothing back. I said, well, what I get out of it? My mama went in the kitchen and said, follow me. She turned on the water. She flicked one of the lights up. You see these lights? You see this? Ma'am, okay, damn. Please give me $40. I ain't give me nothing. Anyway, y'all, that's the moral to the story. But let's get back into, I know some of y'all gonna ask, well, what happened to the substitute teacher? Well, that was my substitute teacher that day for the class I had to test for. But the lady said, this was her excuse, girl. She said that the sun was in her eyes and she didn't see me, girl, in the parking lot. But ma'am, you driving mighty fast in this parking lot, Miss Heavyfoot, and I ran over me and was still rolling. Girl, if I want to move my damn legs, that lady would have went over my legs like a damn speed bump. Anyway, y'all, let me know how y'all feel about this story time. Let me know if you would like another story time. I wanted to do a quick story time. I've had a weird, fun ass, crazy ass life. But y'all, I know I'll be upbeat, but I do have a story time now. I'm contemplating on doing or not. It was a time somebody put something in my drink, girl, and tried to slide up in this cat and take my coochie pouch, girl. But that's a touchy one. So, you know, a lot of people done been through some things. So I don't know if that's a good story time to do, especially in this time and day and age right now. But yeah, the time, yeah, it wasn't a good time. But anyway, y'all, let me know if you want to hear that story time. But anyway, love you guys, and thanks for subscribing to my channel and always showing me some love. I love you guys. My energy is getting back up, y'all. Y'all know I've been going through it. But anyway, my energy is getting better. So I love you guys. Thanks for always showing me some love, and see you in the next video.